Hi, my name is Bailey Oldham, and I'm going to be showing you how to share folders within the ERIC database. This is a great resource, a great feature of the database to be able to share potential sources to be cited within group projects or with just professors or anybody that you need to get approved for sources cited. So you'd go to the ERIC, the Education Resource Information Center, and you'd click on that link and it takes you to the database. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the folder in the top right section. You're going to go down to My Custom and click New. Once you're there, you can type in your folder name. So I'm going to say Group Project 1. And then I'm going to put a little description so that we know. So let's say this is about therapy and counseling. That's what the group project's about. So I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to start my search. So I go up to New Search, and I type in counseling or therapy. And I search that, and I find some pretty good resources that I like. So I'm going to look in here. It has a lot of the subjects that I like. The abstract seems like it's what I want, so I'm going to click my folder and I'm going to choose the group project 1. So let's see. This sounds good. So I'm just clicking these at random so that you guys can get the gist. So then I go up to my folders after I've already selected some of the articles, and you see it shows up right there, and I can click on it, and the articles that I have selected should show up. Say Articles 2, and then I'm going to share my folder. So you go under here and you click Share, and then I'm going to invite Bailey Oldham. I'm going to say check these out. So I'm going to invite a group member, and I'm going to send a message, and then I'm going to make sure it's on plain text and click Invite. And once I do that, the email is sent to my group members. You can see the Group Project 1 articles are showing up right here. And if I have any articles that are shared to me, they get put right here. And so I can see all of the articles that have been shared. And it's a great little system to be able to share resources. And it's a great feature of the ERIC database. So thank you so much, and I hope this is very helpful.